marking the 6th anniversary, SAM Gala celebrates yet another year of awarding the best companies and individuals in 11 categories for their business excellence. The task was to design creative concept and to produce an extraordinary event that positions SAM Gala as the most prominent business gathering of the year. A unique setup was designed to give the event a glamorous touch. United for a single purpose, creating a memorable experience. A special guest was invited to open the evening. Everything started behind the curtain as an exceptional introduction to a unique show for 450 guests. With the beginning of the main act, the audience was being transferred into the seats of the world-famous opera house. The sounds of the famed Phantom of the Opera main theme captured the atmosphere. Concluding the official part, the evening continued in a cocktail area where guests were invited to enjoy the after-party while listening to modern-day tunes. SAM Gala 2017 was an exciting and glamorous experience, leaving its guests with extraordinary and unforgettable memories.